My name is Jeannie Morris, and today I will be presenting part 1 of preparing data using SAS Data Studio. So upon signing in, you are brought to your SAS drive, and we have been asked to access the VA1 Practice 2.1 report. So we will go over to SAS Content, Courses, YVA 185, Basics, and your Practices folder. And we will then click on Practice 2.1. And this brings you to the SAS Visual Analytics Explore and Visualize section. So first we are asked to identify how many unique values company and job title have. So we will go to our data and we can then see that company has 12 distinct values and job title has 9 distinct values. We are then asked to identify what is the type or classification of employee ID. So we'll scroll down to employee ID and click on the down arrow, and we can see it is classified as being a measure. So we'll go out of the data, and we're asked what is the case of employee country, and we can see that both in ascending and descending order that it is lowercase. We then want to see which employee represents sales over the internet or through the catalog. So we want to go to employee name, and let's do it in alphabetical order by just clicking on employee name. We'll go to the scroll bar and let's go down to the eyes and see what we find. And we can see that it would be internet and catalog sales. We are then asked which data item can be used to determine whether an employee is active or retired. So the employee hire date column will tell us when the employee was hired. And if we want to know if they are still hired, we will go over to the employee termination date column. If the column does not have a number, then we can determine the employee is still presently at the company. But if there is a date present, then we know that is the date in which they retired or were terminated from the company. So we then want to access page 2. And we are asked which department contains the missing job title, and we can determine it is the stock and shipping department, as under job title it says missing. So we then want to create an auto chart of company. So you will click on your data pane again, scroll up, and you will just take company and you're going to drag it over to the right side. And this will provide you with a nice bar graph. And it asks what is the largest company based on the number of employees, and we can see that it would be Orion USA with 120 employees. And just by going over the different bars with your cursor, it will show you the company name and its frequency, which refers to the employees at that company. So we're then going to view the measure details. So we can do this by going over to data and clicking on the actions button right here. And if you go to the very bottom, it says view measure details, so that is what you want to click on. And we're asked what is the minimum total profit generated by an employee. So we're going to want to scroll down to total profit, and we can see the minimum profit generated would be 11.1. It then asks the maximum total profit generated by an employee, which would be right here. It's $19,146,779.62. We can then look at the average total profit, which is $109,148.07. And then the total profit overall, or what is classified as the sum in this case, would be $70,727,947.65. This includes the first part of the preparing data using SAS Data Studio. Thank you for watching.